Welcome back to Shafa's Story World. Aesop's Fable is a very famous story book which is suitable for primary children and the children who are just start to reading. Today I am going to read the story named An Ant and a Grasshopper. Okay, let's start the story. An ant and a grasshopper. It was a hot day. No one was working. Everyone preferred to stay indoors in the cool comfort of their homes. But there was a hard-working ant that was collecting food for the winter ahead. Just then, a lazy grasshopper happened to pass by. He looked at her and laughed. "Why are you working so hard, dear ant?" he said. "Come, rest for a while and listen to my song." The ant ignored him and carried on with her work. "I am working hard for the winter ahead. Summer won't last forever. Winter is still far away. Why don't you enjoy the summer?" The grasshopper said and hopped away. Time passed. Winter came. Everything was covered with snow. The ant had stored enough food to last through the winter. Meanwhile, the grasshopper was feeling cold and hungry. He had nothing to eat. He went to the ant's home. The ant said, "There is no food for you here. All summer I worked hard and you sang and danced. Now go and sing through winter." This is the end of the story. Moral of the story is, it is best to prepare for the days of necessity. Thanks for hearing the story. If you enjoy and love this to hear again and again, please subscribe to Shafa the Story World and be with us. Thank you.